So this is my XC bike. The frame is a specialized Chisel CALI. This is a 2018 model frame, a size medium, and the group set is a straight Dior XT M8100. Yes, 1 by 12, 32 in front, including the hubs and the brake set and the rotors. So our cockpit is from Control Tech. This jam, we have the handlebars and our grips. This is just a generic one, but I have here a wolf tooth carb and a black Control Tech grips. So for our fork, we have a Manitou Mark or Boost. That's true axle. And for our saddle, we have an STG Bel Air. The seat post is from Specialized, and the seat clamp as well. Our tires are from Maxxis Icon Skin Wall 29 by 2.20, tubeless ready with EXO casing. And our rims are from DT Swiss, which is the XR331 with pillar spokes and pillar brass nipples. Our pedals are from Shimano, which is the EH500. This is the SPD on one side and the flat side on the other. And we have a Forza paddle cage. So the tires run tubeless setup, and that's it. Thank you, and next time we will be bike checking my road bike.